Yep, my bike is on road again. Where don't ask what are those papers and everything. It's just that I put it so that no acid leaks out like before. And I don't think it's acid. I don't know what it was, but okay, it's all fine and good. Took 5 minutes to heat up to this much, and fan is not started. It starts when it goes to 3. The Celsius point goes to 3 or 4 only, and hopefully the blasting yeah, don't ask why it is streaming. I had put lots of anti-corrosion material. I cannot put my hands now. Yep, I did it. Okay. You can clean it though, doesn't matter much. I know it's poking a lot, but it's fine. It's been after a long